Hello. I thought I'd give you an update from the live stream that I did last night. And first of all, thank you everybody that joined in and kept me company. It was great fun, and I really had a great time. And I'm definitely going to do a lot more of, well, not a lot more, but I'm going to do more of that in the future. Already got plans for some fixes and other builds that I can do. So yeah, thank you everybody for joining in. It was brilliant. The end of the live stream didn't end as quite as successfully as I'd have liked. I did stay up after we finished, and I found I couldn't find the problem, but I was kind of narrowing it down to the ROM area. Let me switch over. There's something being wrong with the EEPROM. Took the one from the other kit that I had. I've got another Harlequin kit here to build, and I reprogrammed that one, and that seemed to work better, but it still was flaky. Changing the dip switches sometimes would come up with the correct ROM, sometimes it would just come up with garbage, sometimes it would come up with the wrong ROM. So very often it was just showing the 128K ROM, which obviously wasn't right. So I reflowed every joint on the back of this board, every single joint, and I would turn it over and it would start working, and then I'd switch the ROMs and it would stop working. And it was quite frustrating. So I also took out a lot of chips and swapped them with the kit here, and nothing changed. I've tried two different Z80 processors. The RAM's changed. Yeah, all of these logic chips, most of these logic chips I've swapped over, and no difference at all. I did find one bent leg. I also found a capacitor that I put in the wrong way around. I haven't actually replaced it yet. It's this one that goes in here, but it's not required. I think it's something to do with the video output on the RCA jack. So I'll put it back in when I get a minute. If I can find it. I've probably dropped it now. Oh well. But it's not that. In frustration, I've put in an original 48K Sinclair ROM that I had in my parts bin, and I have to bend out pin 27 and wire it to pin 14, change the jumpers, put it into the socket a couple of pins down, so there's some empty pins at the top there, and it works perfectly. Let me show you. So I've got the dandinator plugged in now, and I can let's load a favorite. I haven't got any sound. I still haven't put the sound chip in, but it works perfectly. I've tried diagnostics and I've tried all sorts, and everything seems to work perfectly. So it's definitely something to do with the switching between the other ROMs on the EEPROM, but I'm not sure what it is. I will keep trying to fix it. Oh yeah, boss move. But yep, it works. If I switch it off, hold down the left button on the dandinator, it'll go into diagnostics, and that works fine. Cool. It's a working machine. It's probably working enough for what I need for now. I will try and get that ROM sorted, that problem sorted. I don't know what it is. I can't see what it could be, actually. Everything seems to be right, but we'll see. I will keep poking away at it until I figure it out. But for now, I've got what I want, which is a working, hopefully stable 48K machine that I can test the interface one peripherals with, and get the microdrives all working, and the Pico microdrive project that I'm going to be looking at soon in a video. So yeah, that's all there is for the update for this for now. Thank you again for watching last night. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. Thank you, Jonathan. Sent me a load of stuff from my wish list. extra chunky bit for my Hacko soldering iron, some milliput. I've been desperate to get hold of some of this. I don't know why I didn't just buy it. I am getting low on my Topnic flux, so that's good. Some new silicone tubes for my engineer pump, and some squeezy bottles for applying flux or contact cleaner. Thank you, Jonathan. That's really kind of you, and I will get someone to wrap them up for my birthday tomorrow. Thank you. Happy New Year, everyone.